Sometimes the sweetest words hide the sharpest tricks. In this story, a clever cat fools an old vulture, and the innocent birds learn a hard lesson. Let us listen. Once upon a time, in the hollow of an old tree lived an old vulture. He was weak and could not fly much, so he often kept an eye on the birds' eggs and chicks nearby. One day, a very clever cat came to the tree. The birds became scared, but the cat said sweetly, "Don't worry, I have not come to harm anyone. I only want to meet the wise vulture ji. I have heard he is very knowledgeable." The vulture felt proud and invited the cat closer. The cat bowed respectfully and said, "Vulture ji, I have heard your praises from far away. Please bless me with some of your wisdom." The vulture began giving long lectures, and the birds also gathered around to listen. Meanwhile, the cat slowly crept closer to their nests. While everyone was paying attention to the vulture's words, the cat quietly reached the eggs. In a moment, she ate several of them and slipped away silently. Later, when the birds looked at their nests, their eggs were gone. They cried, "Vulture, the same cat you trusted has harmed us." The vulture felt ashamed and realized sweet words can easily hide a cunning mind. Moral: be careful whom you trust. Cunning people often speak sweetly to deceive others. Enjoyed this story? Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more details. And remember to share with your friends.